Alright, so you can just discard that other scene. So we're going to go back to our main scene here. So we're going to assign those materials randomly each time. So just keep in mind how many you have. So if you started at 1, 1 is your lowest, and then for me I went right up to 5. So for me it's going to be between 1 and 5. So we'll hop down into our script, and we're going to want to go to the spawn planet script, and I think I'm going to add it in anywhere after the instantiation, but let's put it just before we add it. So add planet, access the object. So we want to get the renderer, and we want to get the material on the renderer. So now we're going to set, that's just basically grabbing the material on the object. So now let's change it. So we're going to set it to a material. When you're calling the resource load function, you need to let it know that it's a material. So we're going to do resources.load. So planet dash. Okay. And then we're going to want to add that to the range. So we're going to want to tack on the range as a string. So random.range. So I'm going to do 1 and 5. You can go 1 to whatever material you have, the highest number you have. Let's just get all the syntax working here. I think it'll automatically convert to string, but just in case. Usually integers do. So we access the renderer, we access the material, and we load a material from our folder. So we use that initial string, planet mat, and then we're tacking on to the string. We're going to tack on a number as a string. I think it wants another bracket. Yeah. So now when we go back in here, instead of getting all those test materials, we should actually get a random combination of those. Our sun. Yeah, so you can see some of them are green, some of them are, let's actually just maximize that. It's got like an earth planet there, you got kind of metallic one. There, we got our ice planets. Those ones look really cool. So just find what you like. You can tweak the materials a bit once they're in game. And that should do it for those.